Today we'll learn to draw a rocket. We've been studying the Space Shuttle. Here's a picture of the Space Shuttle, and those two rockets, or they're called boosters, help boost that shuttle up into space. They're long and thin, and the top is a triangle shape. Here's a drawing of boosters. Solid rocket boosters. Okay, let's get started. You can draw two the same size, or you could draw a big one and a little one, whatever you want. This is your art project today. You could use markers or crayons. I think I'll use markers today. Starting, the main shape of a rocket is a rectangle. So let's make a diagonal line. Just start anywhere in your paper, maybe about right there, and make one line, about as long as your hand or longer. Then go over and down again to make a long rectangle. On top, we add a triangle. And on the bottom, another triangle. That's called the booster, where the fire comes out. Up here, let's put a few windows. That's usually where the astronauts look out. Now, after that, I like to put in lines to break my booster up into different segments. The boosters are usually built in different pieces and then put together. I'm going to just curve my line a little. Let's make as many as you want. And maybe I'll put a few more down here just for fun. Okay, now do you want to make a little one or another big one? You choose. So do it again. Diagonal line, over, down, over. And what shape's on top? Triangle. And another triangle on the bottom for the booster. I think I'll just do mine kind of the same. Really, astronauts don't ride in the boosters, but since we're doing art, you can do it however you want. Now it's time for the fun part. We're going to make designs. You can use any bright colors that you like. Some kids like to make a flag. So I taught them how to make an easy American flag. Blue dots, maybe like 6 blue dots, and then some red lines. I'll hold that up close so you can see it. Often the country that builds the rocket will put their flag on the rocket. Then they know which country built it. My next segment, I'm just going to put some pink lines. Ooh la la. Oh, I think I'll do the same over here. Pink lines. And how about some purple lines, maybe going this way this time. You could even put flowers and hearts on yours. Whatever you want. This is your rocket. Down here, I'm just going to make some rectangles and color them in. And then let's add the flames coming out. Okay. I think I'll color that one blue and that blue. Hey, I'm going to color the nozzle blue just for fun. All right, time for the flames. Inside the booster is something called propellant, and that burns as the rocket goes up higher and higher. Oh, I'll do some fire over here at the same time. Orange, yellow, red. Those are usually the colors you see. Oh, here's another fun way to make the flames. You can just make down and then curly lines. Or you could do straight lines, which you like best. Either way. Now, how about, ooh, here's another pattern. Tic-tac-toe lines. Oh, let's do one flower power just for fun. This little one could be our flower rocket. Okay, with a pink booster. Now, up in the sky, I like to put planets. So I'm going to do a blue one and a purple one and a red one. You could pretend like it's Earth, Jupiter, Mars if you want. And then, of course, let's add some stars. Stars could just be little dots. I'm going to make some orange ones. They show up better than yellow. few yellow dots. And there you go. You have your 2 rockets heading up into outer space. And if you want to spend a little more time coloring in your designs, you could do that. Ooh, I think maybe I'll put a ring around that one. Ooh, maybe a little smoke too. When there's a launch, there's always smoke. Kind of like a cloud down here. But I don't want to cover up the fire. Well, thanks for joining us as we drew 2 rockets. And be sure to watch some fun videos of Space Shuttle launches. And the Endeavour Space Shuttle is now in our LA Science Museum. Thank you.